How to pay American Express credit card bill online. So let's get started. First of all, go to americanexpress.com and log into your account. From the homepage section, select the Make a Payment option. To add Juno's bank account details, click Manage Bank Accounts. Now, go to the Zuno app on your phone or website and go to the Account tab from the home screen and then click the More button. Under it, select the Bill Pay option. Copy the Juno bank account and routing numbers to add Juno's bank account as a payment option on the American Express website. Paste Juno's banking account information, including account number, ACH, wire routing number, and bank partner name under the Manage Bank Accounts tab on the American Express website. Once done, you can select Juno's bank details under the Bank Account tab. Select the option Remaining Statement Balance or Total Balance to make a payment. Once selected, click on the Make a Payment button below. However, we recommend you to select the Start Autopay button to enroll in autopay before payment, located at top right section. On the next screen, it will ask you to confirm your details, review your payment details, and click the I agree submit button below. You will get a confirmation screen on your payment. Kindly note that the balance will be updated within 24 to 36 hours after the payment. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.